know the
Yeah.
fuck going on, man.
We out here. You know.
The game shit.
Whole lot of that shit, man, going on.
We got swords.
We got double left and RSL out this bitch, you heard me.
What going on?
Hey, look though, check this out. You see that?
See
You see that bitch right there?
The chopper shit?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We will chop your ass up after we got down, yeah, on God.
nigga.
Come on now. Brrr.
Real sticks.
Come on now.
Hey. They say, man, this bitch so hard, man. Hey. RSL. Hey, big boy Glocks, and we just spotted a out, ran little buddy off the block. Got the juice like a box, and we aiming at his top. When we hit, I bet his body low. Hey. They say, man, this bitch so hard, man. Hey, big boy Glocks, and we just spotted a out, ran little buddy off the block. Got the juice like a box, and we aiming at his top. When we hit, I bet his body lock. And I'm rolling up Zah, and we shooting no confetti. Get shot in your belly, you know how we rock. The police pull me over, I hop out the car. So I gotta get going, and I gotta get far. I cannot get caught or I'm going to jail, and I ain't getting no bail. 3 6 and a half in the scale. It's not on my hip like a school, it's ringing no bell. And I just got out of that cell, I just got out of that hill. He play, we turn his body pale. But shawty got water, I wish for her will. Any nigga not hard, many niggas be frail. We get the pack through the mail, hand me the scale. Little buddy play, we gon' send him to hell. Hopping out with choppers, we crunch him, he still. My youngin', he want him a kill. My youngin', he want him a pill. He want him a drill, he just wanna be in the field. Kicking shit, tryna burn a nigga just like a grill. And nigga, I'm keeping it trill. I keep it real as I can. Can't show you my hands, I'm holding it drum like a band. Better be cool as a fan, or hot as a pot. Whenever you get hit with that Glock, and I still posted up on the block. This shit never stop. And we serving in J's, white tee on the top. Yeah.